Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add a navigation menu to your Wix website. Whether you're building your site from scratch or just looking to refresh your design, having a good navigation menu is key. It helps your visitors find their way around, and it instantly makes your website look more polished and professional. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know exactly how to add a menu, but you'll also feel confident choosing the right style for your site's unique vibe. So let's dive right in. First up, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and have your website design open in the Wix editor. This is where all the magic happens. I know it may sound obvious, but it's easy to accidentally end up in your dashboard or in a different section, so double check you're in the editor where you can see your website design in action. Next, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is your tool belt for crafting your site. Find and click on the button labeled Add Elements. It usually looks like a little plus sign or stack of blocks. Now, this menu is where you'll find everything you can add to your pages, from text and images to contact forms and more. Think of it like your digital toolbox. If you want to put something on your site, it starts here. Now, as you hover your mouse over the different options inside Add Elements, you'll see a section called Menu and Anchor. Go ahead and hover over that. This category is dedicated to different kinds of navigation tools, like menus for your main site navigation or anchors, which help people jump to specific sections on a page. Focusing on menu today is important, because your menu is going to act like the GPS for your website visitors, making sure they never get lost as they explore your pages. When you're ready, click into Menu. You'll notice Wix offers a variety of menu styles: horizontal menus, vertical sidebars, minimalist options, bold styles, and more. This is where you can really start to let your site's personality shine through. Take a moment to scroll through the menu styles that catch your eye. Are you creating a portfolio that needs something sleek and understated? Or maybe you're building a community site and want a bright, welcoming menu that pops. Don't worry if you're not sure what style to pick right away. You can always change it later, so just choose a menu that feels like a good fit for your site's vibe for now. Once you find a menu style you like, just click or drag it onto your page. It'll appear right on your site, usually at the top of the page by default. If you don't love where Wix places it, you can easily drag it around and adjust its size until it fits perfectly with the rest of your design. And that's really it. In just a few simple steps, you've added a navigation menu to your Wix website. Now your visitors can move smoothly from page to page, making their experience so much better, and your site will look a lot more finished right away. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Wix tips. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming website how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.